Hello students, this video is about difference between soaps and detergents. Why do we need to have separate soaps and detergents? Why only one can work? Before understanding that, let us understand what is hard water and soft water. Hard water, उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वो छूने में hard लगेगा. No, hard water or hardness of water is caused by the presence of dissolved salts. कौन से salts? Calcium hydrogen carbonate, CaHCO3 whole twice, या calcium hydrogen magnesium hydrogen carbonate, MgHCO3 whole twice, or calcium chloride CaCl2 or magnesium chloride MgCl2. Now, soaps are sodium salts of higher fatty acids. तो what happens when this sodium stearate, हमने पिछले वीडियो में देखा है सोप कैसे बनाते हैं. So when this sodium stearate or soap, it reacts with, or we put the soap in hard water, the calcium and magnesium of that hard water, it displaces sodium of the soap to form calcium stearate and magnesium stearate. Now this calcium stearate and magnesium stearate is scum. वो जो एक अलग सा एक ग्रे कलर का सब्सटेंस बन जाता है जब आप हार्ड वाटर में सोप डिसॉल्व करते हैं, दैट इज स्कम. सो व्हाट हैपन्स टू सोप इन हार्ड वाटर? Hard water of lakes or ponds contains dissolved calcium and magnesium salts. The sodium ion of soap react with them to form scum. As a result, the grease and dust are not pushed out away from the surface. Now, if water in our area is hard, then what to do? Add some sodium carbonate to water before washing the clothes. Now, how can we remove temporary hardness of water? By boiling. Simply by boiling it, we can remove the temporary hardness of water. Now, let us understand what are detergents. Detergents are generally sodium salts of sulfonic acid. Soaps हमने पढ़ा था, they were sodium salts of carboxylic acid. COONA बना था वहाँ पे, यहाँ पे CO3Na बनेगा. Soaps are generally sodium salts of sulfonic acid or ammonium salts with chlorides and bromide ions. Okay, so they are either detergents. I'm saying detergents. Detergents are generally sodium salts of sulfonic acid or ammonium salts with chloride and bromide ions. Now, which one is better? Soap is better or detergent is better? Detergents do not form scum in hard water. No detergent is wasted in reacting with hardness, so they are better than soaps, although cleansing action of detergent is similar to soap. Detergents increase the penetrating power of water. That means they are good wetting agents. उनसे कपड़े अच्छी तरह से गीले हो जाते हैं. Would you be able to check if water is hard by using a detergent? No. We would not be able to check whether the sample of water is hard by using detergent because detergents easily form lather even in hard water. So what is the difference between soap and detergent? Soap are sodium salts of long chain fatty acids, whereas detergents are sodium or potassium salts of sulfonic acid of fatty acid. These are carboxylic acid COOH. This is sulfonic acid SO3H. इनका COOH का H रिप्लेस हो गया सोडियम से, यहाँ पे SO3H का H रिप्लेस हो गया सोडियम और पोटेशियम से. Soaps cannot be used in hard water. Detergents work well with both hard and soft water. Soaps are fully biodegradable because they contain linear chain, straight chain, linear chain. Detergents are non-biodegradable because they contain cross-linked chain. This is a cross-link in the chain. So they can irritate and dry out skin because they are non-biodegradable. They can irritate and dry out the skin. Soaps, they take time to dissolve in water. Detergents dissolve faster in water. When soap is used in hard water, solid substance like scum is formed. Detergents do not form scum. The composition of scum in soap with calcium and magnesium ions. Detergents also contain SO3Na instead of COO- and Na group in soap. This difference stops forming scum. क्योंकि ये सल्फोनिक एसिड से बने हैं इसलिए ये रिप्लेसमेंट नहीं होता सोडियम का यहाँ पे मैग्नीशियम और कैल्शियम के साथ, इसलिए स्कम नहीं बनता. सोप्स आर इको फ्रेंडली. दे आर ब्रोकन इनटू सी, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen by microbes present in water and soil. Detergents break down similar way, but they take longer time. That is why foam is seen on rivers and streams. With this, I come to the end of this chapter. Almost all the videos I have done. You can check the playlist. Study well, stay safe, stay healthy. God bless.